Hello students. Welcome to our channel Learning Hub. Today we are discussing lesson number 6 of parts of speech, that is prepositions, conjunctions, and interjections. 6. Preposition. A word that shows the relationship of a noun or pronoun to the other parts of a sentence is called a preposition. Examples: beneath, besides, before, between, under, over, on, in, and inside are prepositions. Birds are flying over the lake. There is a mirror above the table. In the above sentences, over and above are prepositions. 7. Conjunction. A conjunction is a word used to join two words, phrases, clauses, or sentences. Examples: and, or, but, because, so, if, and yet are conjunctions. Ali and Ahmed are friends. Let me know if you go to the market. In the above sentences, and if are conjunctions. Types of conjunction. 1. Coordinating conjunctions. 2. Correlative conjunctions. 3. Subordinating conjunctions. 1. Coordinating conjunctions. It is used to link independent words, clauses, or phrases. Examples: there are 7 coordinating conjunctions that can be memorized as fanboys. Here F stands for, S stands for and, N stands for nor, B stands for but, O stands for or, Y stands for yet, and S stands for so. 2. Correlative conjunctions. Correlative conjunctions are pairs of words that connect two words, clauses, or phrases that are used in a sentence. Examples: either / or, neither / nor, both / and, as / so, and whether / or are correlative conjunctions. No sooner had I heard the news than I started crying. In the above sentence, no sooner and then are correlative conjunctions. 3. Subordinating conjunctions. The subordinating conjunction is used to connect a subordinate clause to an independent clause. Examples: before, because, as if, until, unless, although, and whereas are subordinating conjunctions. She was annoyed because her mother had left. In the above sentence, because is a subordinating conjunction. 8. Interjection. An interjection is a word that shows some sudden feelings or emotions. Examples: hurrah, alas, oh, wow, ugh, blah, oops, and are interjections. Ouch. It hurts. Wow. This is a big house. In the above sentences, ouch and wow are interjections. For more videos, tell us the topic in the comments section, and do not forget to like and share the video and subscribe to our channel. Thanks for watching.